Hello all, today let's discuss how to manage scrap orders in Odoo 14 manufacturing. So, when a product gets damaged or when it reaches its expiry date, it cannot be delivered to customers and we cannot purchase the product and also we cannot continue the manufacturing. That is, when you manufacture a product and you found a component is damaged, you cannot continue the manufacturing. We have to move that component to a scrap location or we have to move product to scrap location. So we can open manufacturing and see how we can manage scrap orders in manufacturing. So scrap can be done from receipt or delivery order and internal transfer and also while manufacturing a product. So here under operations, we can directly create a scrap order. So here you can see option to create and we can add the product which is marked as damaged. So if you found large cabinet is damaged, so how much quantity? So we found that 5 quantities are damaged and we can add a package or owner if it is set. Then we can set the source location of this product and then you can see scrap location. So to this location we can move the damaged products. So you can see by default virtual location scrap is added here. That is, it is pre-configured location for a company. Then you can set a source document for your scrap order, then company name. So after this, save this and validate. So, and then when you check the product moves, you can see large cabinet, 5 quantities moved from stock to virtual scrap location. And it is also possible to create a new scrap location. So when you go to inventory, here we can find our locations. When you enable locations, that is in your configuration, we can configure locations and can create new scrap location. So I'm creating scrap 2 and you can set parent location. So I'm setting virtual location. So actually scrap location is a virtual location. We can manage inventory loss. So I'm setting inventory loss as location type. And here we can mark it as a scrap location if it is a scrap location. We can set accounting information, logistic information here if we want. Okay, after saving that, we can see scrap location is created. And coming back to our manufacturing, we can create a new scrap order from here using that location. That is to that location. So I have chosen a different product here. And here you can see the newly created scrap location. So I have chosen that, then validate it. And after validating, you can see the moves. It is moved from stock to virtual location scrap, 1 quantity. Then it is also possible to create a scrap order from manufacturing order. So when I create a manufacturing order for a product bench, confirm manufacturing order. After confirming, you can see here an option to mark this product scrap. It is damaged. You can mark that some components are damaged because we have confirmed the manufacturing order but we haven't started the process, that is started manufacturing. So you before starting manufacturing you found some components are damaged. So for that we use this option from here and you can mark bold 1 quantity is damaged and you can click that. Then if you start your plan, that is everything is okay, components are okay and you start manufacturing, and under work orders you can see here your first operation cutting, and from here you can start processing. And here you can go to the page. When you click on this you can see here, and from here we can see an option in order to mark component scrap. So when you click on this you can see here option to mark product scrap. So here You found your wood panel is damaged, one quantity, then you can move to scrap to click done. You can record action. So you can pause this and you can come back. So here you can see one scrap is there for this manufacturing order. So when you click this, you can see wood panel and you can see it is moved from, and you can see its source location. It is moved from stock to scrap location, scrap to. So while processing operation cutting, you found the product, that is component wood panel, damaged. So you can see the product moves here. So that's all about creating, that is managing scrap orders in Odoo 14 manufacturing.